Hello and welcome to episode 4 of the Frame Metric podcast. Today's episode is about what OpenAI's in-house data agent write-up confirms about trustworthy analytics. And the real lesson isn't about the model. It's about everything around the model: context, governance, and repeatability. OpenAI's write-up is a useful public blueprint. But the biggest takeaway is not model capability. It's the production system, the scaffolding, that makes answers trustworthy over time. When people talk about AI in analytics, most attention goes to speed and reasoning quality. In the real world, the hardest part is delivering answers that stay correct, can be verified quickly, and do not silently degrade as data evolves. Context beats clever prompts. Analytics lives or dies on metric definitions. What does active donor mean? Which fiscal year applies? Which sources are in scope? Which filters are implied? If those rules are not explicit, the system has to guess. And in analytics, guesses are dangerous because they often look plausible. This is why frame metric is built on a governed semantic layer. We make the meaning explicit, so the system does not need to guess. Show you're working or do not ship. Trust is not a feature you add at the end. Users need to see how an answer was derived, what assumptions were made, and what the system could not see. This is not about adding friction. It's about making verification fast before decisions are made. Drift is not an edge case. Schemas evolve. Pipelines change. Teams redefine metrics. A system that works today can quietly degrade tomorrow. This is schema drift in practice, and it's one of the most common causes of silent failure. And the fix is not more prompting. The fix is treating change as a first-class problem. Versioned meaning maintained logic and replayable prompts that catch regressions.
The commercial path is governed focus.
OpenAI is describing an internal system operating across a huge data estate. Most organizations don't have the resources to make that work safely across everything at once. A practical path to commercial value is to narrow scope and govern meaning deeply. Own the schema, standardize definitions, make reasoning repeatable. That's how you turn a blueprint into a product. If you're new here, you might also explore foundational ideas like the trust charter, the glossary, governed semantic layers, and schema drift. And the summary is simple. The model is not the product. Context is the product. Trustworthy answers need evidence and checks, not confidence. Drift is inevitable, so systems must be designed to stay correct as things change. And the fastest path to commercial value is often vertical focus and governed meaning. That's it for this episode. Thanks for listening to the Frame Metric podcast. If you found this useful, follow the show. And feel free to share it with someone building AI analytics in production, where trust is the real feature.